Hey guys, Austin here. Just another little quick video. These were... Hey, no fighting. These are some that we are keeping. Well, we were going to keep most of them, but we're going to sell this one and that one. These two. We're going to chop, and Casey's dad's going to sell the meat. Right now, during Christmas and New Year's, the meat prices go up for pig quite a bit. But these are some of our bigger ones, and we're gonna keep them. The other ones to breed. They're getting about the size. They're a little bit smaller, but they're pretty close to the size to breed. They're a little bit smaller than this big mama over here. Getting close to about the same size. Oh, big mama. The other pigs here. Little piggers. Feeding time. The sun's shining pretty strong. Came earlier and I tried to put a little bit of Azola, duckweed. Now it's gone. I don't know, maybe the ducks eat it. That's what my brother warned me about. He said to protect it from the ducks, because the ducks will eat the duckweed. Nope. There's a little bit in there. I don't know, maybe my screen's dirty. Maybe not. I don't know why it's... Okay. Change the contrast on here. It's too bright. Hey, little piggies. I planted a bunch of moringas there, but only one stayed alive, it looks like. We had some pretty bad rains, and that's why they said that the moringas died. Hey, no fighting, little stinkers. No fight, now spink your butt. Big mama. Solar going on up there. Should be working good. They're fixing their motorcycle.